Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Say hi. Can you say hi to our friends? Yeah? So today we are going to continue making some delicious Thanksgiving recipes. We are going to make a mashed potato that's going to rock your world. Now the best thing about these is that we don't have to peel them. We're going to cook them with the skin on, and then we're going to make them garlicky. Yeah, I know, I'm excited too. We're going to make them garlicky and just fluffy and delicious, and you're gonna love them. So the first thing we're gonna do is start on our garlic. So let me show you how to do that. So before we do anything, we're gonna roast our garlic, and for that all you're gonna do is just cut the top of the garlic. You're gonna use the whole entire head of garlic, not just a clove. So you're gonna cut the top off like so. See, we're gonna put it in some aluminum foil. And you're going to drizzle the garlic with some olive oil. Like so. Then you're going to go ahead and wrap it up in your olive oil. Like so. Like a little ball. You're going to stick it on the pan and you're going to roast this for about an hour to an hour and 10 minutes at 375 degrees. And then we will continue with the next step. Okay, so what you're going to do is I wash these really well, and then any bad parts that were in it I just cut off because we're keeping the skin on, so you don't want them to be gross. So you're just going to kind of cut them into pieces like this, and then you're going to put them into your pot. Okay, so my potatoes are in here. And what I did was I just covered them with water about an inch above where the potato is. So what I did, I just put them in here, put the water in, gave them a generous pinching of salt. And now I'm going to turn the heat on. And once they come up to a boil, you'll want to turn it down so that they don't overflow. And you're going to cook them for about 15 to 20 minutes or until a fork goes into them and it goes in like nice and smooth and it's not hard. Then you know that they're done. And then when they're done, we're going to finish them off with the garlic and some heavy cream and butter, and it's going to be so delicious. Okay, so my potatoes are done. They're still boiling, but I'm going to shut them off. And I want to show you how you know they're done. You're going to take a fork, and you're just going to puncture. See how clean it goes in and it's smooth? It's not tough. That's when you know that they're done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain these. And then we're going to finish everything off, and it's going to be so good. Also, don't mind the sweatiness, but my kitchen is super small, and the oven's on, and the oven on, and the burners are on, so it's really hot. But doesn't matter because our priority here is food. Is it okay? Yeah. Okay, so I have my potatoes in here that I drained, and to that I'm going to go ahead and add in my roasted garlic. Okay, so I have both in here. I'm going to go ahead and give them a good mash. You can also give yourself a nice facial with the steam. Okay. So I just cut it into smaller pieces just so that it dissolves better. Not dissolves, but melts better. And then you're going to let the heat from the potatoes dissolve your butter. Look at this. Okay, so we're almost done. One final thing. The butter is almost completely melted. So you're going to go in with a little bit of heavy whipping cream. If you don't have whipping cream, you can go in with some half and half. It'll do the job. You're going to give it a nice zhuzh. Just use some elbow grease for this one. I would say all in all, you're probably looking for about 1/4 cup to 1/3 of a cup. Just enough to give you that pillowy, beautiful texture. Look at that. Is this not amazing? So this is all set. I'm going to just give them a taste test. I'm going to use the fork from the... It's so good. Literally incredible. I Alright, so these are perfect. I might hit them with a little bit of black pepper when I plate them, but that's about it. So you know where to find the recipe at www.thelazygirlskitchen.com. Sorry for the noisiness, but we have a full household today. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.